continue with the top using lilac colored yarn. If you haven't seen the previous videos yet for this amigurumi, in the description below you can find the link to the first part. Starting with the slip knot and then for 48 chains, 2, 3, 4. Just continue doing chains until you are 48. After 48 chains, we will start in the chain number 2 from the hook, making 18 slip stitch and taking the back loop, the traditional back loop. 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. After 18 slip stitch, get loop, skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the next one, let's make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 slip stitch, but pay close attention where it's not on the chain, is on the top of the double crochet, like this. 1 slip stitch. And we will repeat exactly the same 2 times more. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 slip stitch. Again, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 slip stitch, and 1 more double crochet on the same base. Then skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. Then let's repeat exactly the same 1 more time from the double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and in the next one, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 slip stitch on the double crochet, then 2 times more the same, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, 1 slip stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch, and 1 more double crochet on the same base. Skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 1 slip stitch on the next one. And then let's make 17 slip stitch more. Then will be 18. Then I will say the second one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Will be 18 in total. Then cut the yarn and secure with both threads. After that, you can hide it. This will be the final result. This is the front of the fabric, but in the real life this one will be the front because for me it looks better. You can use whatever you prefer for the front. Also, you need made like me, and then we'll be ready to put it on our Princess Ariel. But first, let's make the flower. For the flower, we will use the same lilac color charm. We will start with a magic ring and 7 chains. This one will be the first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Starting on the second chain from the hook and taking the back loop, the loop that are on the back of a chain, 1 slip stitch, on the next one 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, and for the end 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then 1 slip stitch on the magic ring, and we will repeat exactly the same 2 times more, or as many times as you prefer. Then let's do 2 times more. When you finish, cut the yarn, put it to the back, and close the magic ring, and this flower will be ready. With both threads, you can secure and hide it. I'm saying as many times as you like, because for example this one is exactly the same pattern, but I'm repeat the same 5 times. And I'm use coral color yarn. However you prefer, your amigurumi will looks beautiful. Then secure, hide the thread, and then we are ready to make the piece for the center. Using yellow color yarn, this piece is easy. Just a magic ring with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Cut the yarn, put it to the back, and close the magic ring. And then using a wool needle, we will make a perfect close using a wool needle. On the next stitch, the first single crochet that you made on this piece, just insert the hook like the wool needle like me, and again on the top of the last single crochet, and this little circle will look beautiful. Secure and cut the yarn, and then we are ready to make the union with the flower. Then both flowers are ready. Let's put everything on our princess Ariel. First, let's put the tail and later the flowers. You need to know that I will not leave the flowers permanent. Just I will use like a pin to show you, but you can use glue or sewing to leave permanent on the hair. I hope and you really like this mermaid, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I'm really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end, and see you on the next video tutorial for a new amigurumi. Bye!